Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use polynomial division. First, understand that this process is a fundamental algebraic tool for simplifying complex expressions. It's very similar to the long division you learned for numbers, but we're working with variables and exponents. We'll break down each step to make it clear and easy to follow, ensuring you can confidently tackle any polynomial division problem. To begin, always arrange your dividend and divisor in descending order of their variables' exponents. For example, x cubed plus 2x squared. If any terms are missing in the dividend, like an x term, insert a zero coefficient as a placeholder. This ensures proper alignment. Then, set up your problem just like a traditional long division, with the dividend inside and the divisor outside. Now, let's perform the division. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Write this result above the dividend. Next, multiply this new term by the entire divisor and write the product below the dividend. Carefully subtract this product from the dividend, remembering to change all signs. Bring down the next term from the original dividend and repeat these steps until no terms remain. After completing all the steps, you will have a quotient and potentially a remainder. The quotient is the polynomial written above the division symbol. The remainder is the final polynomial left at the bottom. If your remainder is 0, it means the divisor perfectly divides the dividend, making it a factor. Remember, the degree of your remainder must always be less than the degree of your divisor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.